Drawing materials. Please carry your material like pencils, graphite lead, pencil sharpener, eraser, rubber, colored pencils, crayons color, pastel colors, paper for pastels, watercolors, opaque color or gouache, transparent watercolor, watercolor pencils, palettes, paint brushes, art marker, chalk, drawing papers, printing ink, modeling clay, glazes, stain. Methods of art, drawing and sketching. How to handle the pencil. There are different ways to hold a pencil, depending on what type of strokes and lines you want to achieve. Thick and loose lines. Thick and tight lines. Long and arching lines. Thin and controlled lines. Structural sketches. A structural sketch is the basic line work in which values and details are built upon. This is a great way to observe your subject. This is often used as a basis for a more finished drawing. A structural sketch helps you to see how a subject is constructed. Here, you will focus on the placement and proportion of the elements rather than on light or shadow. Contour sketches. This type of sketch is also called a continuous line sketch. This is because you draw with one continuous line, drawing outlines and defining value areas. Don't worry about accuracy. This is a fun exercise for loosening up before you draw. It will sharpen your observation skills. Add more of a challenge by blocking your view of the sketch in progress. Also, guess at what the pencil line looks like on the paper. This is called blind contour sketching. The hatching pencil technique is simply marking out small lines bunched together to create fill color from further away. In other way, hatching is an artistic technique. This is used to create tonal or shading effects by drawing closely spaced parallel lines. This technique is a shading technique, and like outlines can be light or heavy by reducing or adding pressure. Values are the degrees of light and darkness in a drawing. They give additional form and depth to a basic structure. Observing the wide range of values will give you a better understanding of how light creates highlights and shadows on the form.